The Boy Who Cried Wolf. A boy named John was once taking care of some sheep not far from a forest. Nearby was a village, and he was told to call for help if there was any danger. One day he thought he would have some fun, and he cried out with all his might, "The wolf is coming! The wolf is coming!" The men came running with clubs and axes to save the boy from the wolf. As they saw nothing, they went home again and left John laughing in his sleeve. The day before he had so much fun, John cried out again the next day. "The wolf! The wolf!" The men came again, this time not as many as the first time. Again they saw no trace of the wolf, so they shook their heads and went back. On the third day, the wolf came in earnest. John cried in dismay, "Help! Help! The wolf! The wolf!" Not a single man came to help him. The wolf broke into the flock and attacked the sheep. Among them was a beautiful lamb that belonged to John. Then he felt very sorry that he had deceived his friend and neighbors, and he grieved over the loss of his pet lamb. The truth itself is not believed from one who